Don't just click away from this video. I got something special for you. And for me. So what's so special for you? I'm gonna show you a Bitcoin chart that will tell you if you are a long-term hodler, the exact time when to sell and make substantial profits. Believe me, you will not be disappointed. And what's so special for me in this video? Well, stick around. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, important thing happened on this channel. We just hit 100 subscribers milestone. And regarding to that, I will tell you thank you. From the bottom of my cold-blooded dinosaur heart, thank you for being here with me on this journey. You will not regret it. At the moment, this is huge for me, but I suspect that this is just the beginning of the more and the far bigger game. Do you know what 100 people looks like? Something like this. So, pick your spot, pick your square. One of these guys is you. And it seems like there's a lot of people in there. But at the same time, still a pretty small number to be called a family. Got it? And we are a family. We are a community that's in creation. And the first 100 of us will be remembered after the time passed and after we reach another milestone. But maybe regarding to Cryptosaurus, you prefer something like this, and this is our pack. Think about it from this point. Our community will be called Crypto Pack. Regarding to that, a quick fact. Some dinosaurs live their life in solitude. They wander the lands searching for food and trying to survive. They're alone. Other dinosaurs choose to move in herds. And you know the herd mentality. When one go, others will follow, but with no bigger purpose or meaning. At the end of the herd's mentality, there is a void, in which eventually they all fall and die. But there are some species in dinosaur world that move in packs. They hunt in packs. They use different strategies and tactics to overcome a much bigger prey, to use their brains and their strength together. This is how our community will be. We'll be a crypto pack. We'll be a pack that is roaming the lands, wandering for new opportunities, inventing new tactics, new strategies to make our lives in this crypto kingdom better. So join me. If you haven't, you can always join our pack. Below the video, there is a red box that says subscribe on it. Click the box, don't let it be red, and join this crypto pack in the journey to the future. Why should you join? Well, as my token of appreciation regarding this 100 subscribers milestones, every one of my subscriber in the comment section right now after the video should leave a coin that wants to be covered in one of future videos that we will be making. I will try to make a content out of it. So all you have to do is be a subscriber and in the comment section state your coin. What more can I give you for this subscriber milestone? I don't know. The journey has just getting started. For the crypto space as a whole, for the Bitcoin, but also for this, for now, small community, but big enough to roam the crypto lands. So one more time, I'm giving you a call. Join my crypto pack. Let us roam the lands together. And remember, you were not here when dinosaurs ruled the world. But you are here now that cryptos are starting to rule the world. Dear subscribers, I'm presenting you the Pi cycle top indicator. This is the chart I was talking about, and this is the chart that will lead you to this journey and tell you when to sell. Maybe not at exact date, but around that date. Yes, quite possible and quite probable. First of all, let's quickly look what this chart is all about. Well, this pi cycle top indicator has historically been effective in picking out the timing of market cycle highs to within 3 days. So we are talking about a 3 days possible offset from the peak. What it uses? It uses two moving averages, 111-day moving average and a newly created multiple of the 350-day moving average. So 350-day moving average times 2. Why do we believe this indicator? Well, for the past 3 market cycles, or should we say, when the 111 moving average moves up and crosses above the 350 moving average times 2, we see that it coincides with the Bitcoin price peaking. Now, why this indicator is called the pi cycle top indicator? Because when we divide 350 with 111, that is 3.153. And you know, if you ever listened to anything on your math class, that pi is 3.142. And that is really the closest we can get to pi when dividing 350 by another whole number. And you know that in pi there is something special, some infinitive, but that is a topic for another time. This indicator will demonstrate us the cyclical nature of Bitcoin price action over the long time frames. Over the last 7 years, it proved us with a high degree of accuracy, so why should we think that it will not do that in the future? How can you use this indicator? Pretty simple, and that's what I like about it. This pi cycle top will indicate you when the market is very overheated, and that is the point when 111-day moving average has reached a 2 times multiple of the 350 moving average. When that happens, historically, you are proved to sell your Bitcoin. And that is it. Pretty simple. The indicator was created last year by Mr. Philip Swift. So, thank you, Mr. Philip. And now back to the charts. First of all, this is a Bitcoin price from the inception of Bitcoin. Okay, good. Secondly, this is 111 daily moving average. And thirdly, this is the 350 daily moving average times 2. When we combine those together, we get our top indicator. There is nothing complex to talk about this indicator. You should always follow the 111 moving average and see when it crosses above the 350. On our last bear market, let me point out that we zoomed in a little. You can see when that happened. And also you can see what happened in the price of Bitcoin. Look at this, beautiful. It gave us a sell signal right at the peak. That's, if you ask me, amazing. So if we followed this cross, we would sell our Bitcoin at the peak. Now, a quick note of reference. This is not an indicator that will tell you when to buy. I'm assuming that you already are a hodler and that you own some Bitcoin, right? It doesn't matter when you bought. That is really not concern of mine, because whatever time you bought, when this happens in the future, you will be in the profit. I guarantee you that. If you bought here at 20,000, if you bought here at the bottom, even if you are buying right now, it makes no difference. The profits will be huge. And that is the power of this chart. Let's look at one more instance. This is the 2014 year, and at this time we had 2 peaks. 111 crossed here and here. So whenever you bought and you holding, you would be selling here and here. This time we wouldn't pick exact top, and here almost the top. So one more time, there's really no reason for us to overcomplicate things. Follow this 111 moving average and act accordingly. Your account and your crypto balance will thank you later. I just want to take a quick look where we stand right now. This is our current price action. Just to see a clearer picture, this is the March and the big crash. From that point on, we head to the upside and now in some consolidation phase. Let's remove the price. You can see the lower band is a 111 moving average. The upper band is 350. Just notice that they are not even close, a little bit to each other. What is that indicating you? You have a long way before the two meet. So is this indicating you that now is the time to buy Bitcoin? Just by looking at this, well, yes. If we have so much time till our next peak, why wouldn't now be a great time to buy that Bitcoin? Ladies and gentlemen, stick with me until this moving average cross above the bigger one. Also, if you like the video, put a thumbs up. Let me see it. Let everybody around you see that thumbs up. You got nothing to be ashamed of. After all, you are a part of the crypto pack. For more videos like this, check out one of these. And until the next time, the Cryptosaurus roared.